Hi, this is my narrated video for my Portfolio 2 two-way designs. Here I have already adjusted the data from the supermodel dataset. I recorded the variables for age and years into categorical variables, so I now have variables for age groups and years of experience. The two values for age groups are those that are 17 years old and younger, and those that are 18 years old and older. These two values for years of experience are those that have 3 years or less of experience, and those that have 4 years or more of experience. So the research questions that I'm going to be answering are: does the effect of supermodel age, those younger than 18 versus those 18 and older, change with experience, those who have been working more than 4 years versus less than 4 years, and which group or groups of supermodels make the most money, referring to both age and experience. So what I'm going to do first is conduct a two-way independent Anova test, analyze the general linear model, univariate. My dependent variable will be the ID, my fixed factors will be the age group and the experience group. For plots, I already plotted years of experience in the horizontal axis, age groups in the horizontal axis, and then years of experience again in the horizontal axis times age groups in the separate lines. And then I'm going to drag all of these factors into the display means for compare main effects, Bonferroni, I'm going to display descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and homogeneity tests. And then I'm going to click OK. So if we look at the tests of between subjects effects table, we can see that there was a significant effect of the age group on the salary earned per model. There was not a significant effect of years of experience on the salary earned per day by supermodel, and there wasn't a significant effect or interaction between the age group and the years of experience on the salary earned per day by supermodel either. If we look at the descriptive statistics table, we can see that those who were in the age group of 18 years or older and had 3 years or less of experience working earned more than all of the other supermodel groups. This group earned more than those who were 18 years and older and had 4 or more years of experience, more than those who were 17 years or younger and had 3 years or less of experience, as well as more than those who were 17 years or younger and had 4 years or more of experience. And here I wrote those results in APA format, as well as included a clustered bar mean chart here, which this shows the mean salary per day, showing the effects of age groups on number of years of experience. The salary per day was highest among those in the age group of 18 years and older and who had 3 years or less of experience.